At Integrity, we've had the honor of partnering with some of the leading names in the entire insurance industry. And if you were to make a list of some of the leading icons in the entire industry, one of the names that would always be at the top is Hubert Humphrey.
And when I think about my dad, I think of the ultimate driven, determined dreamer. But I've never seen somebody stay so focused for so long.
I'm thrilled today to announce that our company, Hedgeman Group International, better known as HGI, is joining forces with the great Integrity Marketing Group. What a historic day.
Hubert Humphrey is truly a legend in our industry, and he's built 3 revolutionary companies throughout his career, and HGI is the greatest one yet.
Just as in our previous companies, we always had to have great partners. And now we've got one of the greatest of all time in Integrity here to help us, providing products and services and financial strength and so many other things to help us go and complete this great destiny that we're on.
Integrity offers us an opportunity to create a true win-win in the sense that it accelerates the growth of HGI. HGI's growth can contribute to the success of Integrity, and everybody's aligned to do it together.
Anyone who's ever met Hubert has truly been inspired by his passion of service and helping other people see the opportunity in our insurance industry.
What do I love the most about the business? Well, it's the journey, it's the doing of it, it's the quest, it's the building of it to help so many people, knowing that along the way, so many people are going to be helped by what we do.
With Integrity, we're going to be able to help families, change people's lives, change their financial futures like ever before. This is the alignment that we've been dreaming of, and we can't wait to get started.
I learned a long time ago that great people don't have careers, they have mission in their life. So I'm treating this as a mission to help as many families as we can and help our team to go to the next level.
We are very excited about the future with Integrity and HGI and can't wait to get out there in the public and offer what we do to more people, more quickly, more effectively.
I've never been more excited than I am right now, and I can't wait to see what we're going to do with this great new alliance with Integrity.
It says a lot when you have so many industry leaders, legends, and icons who are looking at the future and realize that the best path to success is by partnering together here at Integrity. Together, we will change this industry and transform it for decades to come and serve more people than ever before.